I'm gonna show you how to make pumpkin cream roll my way. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. We're gonna mix first the dry ingredients. 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. And just mix it a little bit with a fork, and we add it to the mixer. 6 eggs. This is 1 cup of the pumpkin that I roast. Looks like that, but I'm gonna blend it a little bit. And add it to the mixer. So we mix it on low. And let's speed it up a little bit. Scrape the sides. Mix it a little bit more. There you go. Half sheet pan, parchment paper. Almost the same size. A little bit of pen spray. Try to get rid of the bubble. More pen spray for all the mix. Well spread in all the sheet pan. All the bubbles go up. Put it on the middle rack of the oven. 1 stick or a half cup of butter, soft. Whip it until fluffy and white. Scrape the sides. I got 2 cream cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is a pinch of fresh cinnamon. Mix it on low. If you can still see pieces of cream cheese, you're not done yet mixing. Done. See how smooth it is? When you see this start separating from the side, it's done. You can touch it. It has a little separate layer, like a big bubble on the top, but you can feel it. It baked for 20 minutes. Now it's cool, room temperature. We need a spatula and parchment paper. And this is why we put parchment paper on the bottom, to make it easy to transfer. Now we just pull like that. Now we have to spread like 1 inch, 2 fingers on one side, because we're gonna start rolling from this side. And now we spread all over. Rounding from one edge and then roll. Don't worry, it's too soft that it won't break. Let it chill in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to make it look pretty, just cut a little bit the edges. And sprinkle powdered sugar on the top.